butterfly knife. Now, you see, if you grab it from this side, and one of my homeboys taught me, so if you grab it from this side, when you open it, you can potentially get your hand cut. So you need to grab it from this side. Now, as far as the movement and everything, you want to do it like that, but you want to do your hand in the motion of like that. See that? So in a motion, you want to do your hand like this. So how it's just a motion. You bring your hand like that. That's all you're doing. It's just bam, bam, bam. You could do it like that. And then it's all about practice. You wanna see how you do it. So when you boom, see that? You're basically just turning it, but you're keeping your hand on that because this is what you control. See that? You just flicking it. So you flicking it open. See that? Just practice. Flick it open. Once you flick it, see that? See how it's, and see I turned it. I'm turning, 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 turning. As you turn it, it open. You turn it, it close. So when I turn it, see that? So, bam. So basically what you're doing is you throwing it back again. You flip it, throw it back, flip it, turn, flip, turn, close. And when you get ready to close, you turn, see that? You open, you bring it. You close, you bring it. So if you do, you just playing, you twirling your hand. You putting it in the close and the open, but you're not cutting your hand. So you boop, boop, boop. Only thing you doing is you hitting it, but you I know I'm doing this on my phone, but that's how you do it. So that's how you work a butterfly knife. And like, hey, pato, what? What? Yeah. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Hit that notification if it was useful for you.